Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today we are going to be doing some Valentine's Day outfit inspiration. So first we have this casual outfit. I have this oversized pink and red sweater from Walmart. My skirt is from Shein. I have my Safari Mix dunks, and then I paired these heart socks that I found. They're super old. I think they're from Amazon. How do you guys like this first casual outfit? Up next, we have outfit number two. Outfit number two, I wanted to keep it nice and chic, but still kind of casual. So I have this two-piece checkered red and white set. The two-piece checkered red and white set is actually from Walmart. Super cute and fun. And then I kept on those red booties with those red and white heart socks. This is giving casual, but still chic with the booties. Nice for a nice little girl's brunch. Super cute. How do you guys like outfit number two? Up next, outfit number three. I wanted to keep it kind of casual but still chic, so why not throw on some denim? So I have this denim two-piece set. The denim two-piece set is from Fashion Nova. I love the little crop jacket, and then it has these detailed pants, and then I paired with a red camisole, those red booties. And y'all, check out my hat. My hat is actually from Fashion Nova as well. Y'all, it's giving lace, it's giving bridal, it's giving cutesy. So I thought that was cute to go ahead and throw on with this fit. LA, I love the bedazzle on the hat as well. How do you guys like outfit number three? I love this outfit. Y'all let me know down below. Up next, we have outfit number four. I wanted to dress it up a little bit. So I went in my closet. I found this super old blazer. It's a leopard print blazer that I had. Wow, it's been super long ago. I think I got it from Etsy. I paired it with these red pants that I had from Fashion Nova. Super cute. And then, of course, I have on a red camisole. And then I paired together with this outfit, I had some leopard heels, and they have a pop of red in it as well. So super cute. It's giving fun. It's giving flirty. I love the flare in the pants. It's giving dressed up, but not too dressy. Cute for a little date night or something out with your girls or your family and friends. How do you guys like outfit number four? Up next, we have outfit number five. I decided to go ahead and add another pants look to this. So I have this silver two-piece set. The silver two-piece pants that is actually from Shein. Super cute. I love the bow details on it. And then, of course, y'all know I had to add my tie. I have a red tie from Amazon. And then my white collar shirt is also from Amazon as well. And then I added in some red little heels to go with this. Super cute. It's giving power. It's giving boss girl. It's giving brunch. It's giving girls night. How do you guys like this suit? I think the silver and then the red pops. Let me know down below. Finally, y'all know I had to add in a dress look to this. And I was like, I'm not buying no dresses. I got so much stuff in this closet. So I went and found this pink little dress. This dress I think I bought for my birthday probably 2 or 3 years ago. This was actually my birthday dress. It actually has some straps to go to it, but I took down the straps to make it kind of like a halter top, and then I added in this black dressy top. The dressy top is actually from Akira. Super cute. And then because the dress was a little mini dress, I decided to go ahead and add some black tights to this, and then added in my black Christian Louboutin heels with this. So I think this is nice and fun and still flirty. Nice for a nice little date night, girls night out. Super cute, fun and flirty. And then you could throw like a little black clutch and then a black little sheath coat or little false fur coat with this. So how do you guys like outfit number six? Y'all let me know which one is your favorite and hit subscribe. Bye.